All right, let's go. Welcome to AI Gamer Dev. Another day, another game. So, today we're going to use Cursor, Claude, ChatGPT, and 3JS. In today's game, we will go from this to this. Let's begin, as always, giving a brief explanation on what we want to create and generating our GDD. I have improved even more, our prompt GDD creator. And okay, our idea today is to build a game using this scene that I found on 3JS documentation. And I will explain a little bit more later. Let's begin to generating our GDD and our cursor roles. If you have any questions regarding these generations, just watch the previous videos or just send me a message and I will be happy to help you out with it. All right, so this is the scene. Credits for the authors. This is the character from Kira. The furniture is Polypizza, and the scene is made by A Bernier. Nice, and it's under CC0. Let's copy the scene. Now with the new GDD created, the structure it's already implemented there, so we don't need to explicitly say anymore here in the first prompt. It will already know the best structure. It's going to read what we want to do. It's going to read the scene and create the structure that we want. As you can see, I implemented already a modular structure, basic scene setup, a clean separation of concerns between different components. So it already knows the best way to create. So our first result is this. We can already look through the scene, find the best spot, and here I was creating. Okay, I didn't knew exactly what I want to do, so I was just creating. Okay, we prepare our prompts, we load the scene, and yeah, let's add the settings now. Again, settings are very important. It helps us to fine-tune the the look and feel of the scene. We are adding controllers for the light and the fog first. Because the first structure, the files are already created, they were already created, and so this the AI understands a little bit better and already have a lot of knowledge on what to change and where to change. Here I was doing some testing, figuring out what I wanted to do. So it came to the part of creating the orb itself. So the way I wanted to do is I wanted to create a texture added to a circle and implement around the orb. So we had this effect of the text were generating like on top of the orb, and it worked very well. Actually, I was like impressed how well this worked. And yeah, glow effect, it was broken, but no problem. I decided not to use in the end. And we could rotate the text, change the text size. The text layer distance was very important. This fine-tuning this value, I was able to like generate the texts right above the surface of the orb. Now I wanted to get the proper angle of the game that I wanted, so I added controllers for the camera. rotation and look at target. And when I figured it out, I saved those values and added the movement from the cursor to the hand. So yeah, when we move the cursor, the hand would move with it. Nice. I love the final effect that it gave. Now I added some effects to the text because I wanted it typing. I added the /n to break a line, but it didn't felt right like this. So what I decided to do is whenever we had /n, we fade out the previous text and show the next. And you see very soon here I was seeing the effects. I added a dreamy effect to the texture of the text to give this out of this world sensation. I don't know. Here, okay, now we can see that it disappears and appears the next line. It worked very well. I was really enjoying these effects. So now it came the time to create the real-time API. This is the other part of this project because I wanted the orb to answer questions and talk to the user about the existence and other stuff. So we created first. Hey, can you count to 1 to 50?
Sure, let's count together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Wait,
5.
I changed my mind. Count 50 to 1. So it didn't work in the first try. I need to be able to interrupt it and it should continue talking to me. So alright, count 1 to 50 please.
Sure, let's count from 1 to 50. 1, 2, 3.
Wait. Count 50 to 1.
All right, continuing from 29. 30, 31,
No,
32.
stop. I want to count from 50 to 1.
Got it. Let's count from 50 to 1. 50, 49, 48,
Nice, it worked
47.
very well. We will start doing more projects like this using APIs, AI APIs to generate stuff. So with this, the orb was created, the real-time API was implemented. Now let's connect it to the orb itself. It worked in the first try. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you clearly. The mists of fate swirl around us. What do you seek to know?
Again, it was a little bit behind the text. We could increase the speed, no problem. Don't need to be perfect, it needs to work. This is our say here. Another thing that is really important that we will start working now is the system prompts that we send to the AI. By default, it has this "you are helpful assistant," but as you can see, my final system prompt for the orb is huge and has a lot of details. Hello.
Greetings, curious one. I sense your intrigue as you hold me, the orb in your hands. What questions whirl within your mind? Speak, and let us explore the unknown together.
This way was implemented, all the features were working properly, and yeah, final adjustments. See you in the next video. Hello.
Greetings, curious one. I sense a thirst for knowledge within you. What mystery shall we unravel together in the glow of this ancient orb?
Please send a message to all my followers and my future followers. What will you say for the ones that believe in AI and invest their time on it?
To those who invest their time and belief in the power of artificial intelligence, I whisper this message. You are the architects of a new dawn, weaving threads of creation with every line of code. But remember, as you breathe life into these creations, consider the shadows they may cast. Will you guide them with wisdom or let them wander beyond your control?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You are welcome, seeker of knowledge. May your journey with artificial intelligence be guided by insight and reflection. I am here, ever pulsing with ancient energies, should you seek guidance once more.